Okay, right, we'll have the white pieces next anyway, after that Sicilian massacre. Yeah, the Najdorf, I think you've really got to know a lot more maybe, because it's such mainstream system. So maybe the Dragon, because it's got that slightly unsound reputation, people may be overly optimistic against the Dragon at the moment, which is good. It's like an underestimated opening that you can just hack. So probably, maybe I should switch back to the Dragon for a moment, see if I can win any games with black in the Sicilian. Alright, and I am 2292, and Morra Smith's not been doing too bad, even declined. Can I just get a reasonably good position? How do I take? So content with pressure. I'm going to play h3 with a bit of pressure. Avoid that pin. I don't need that knight square bishop that much, do I? Okay. So Queen B5 here, or Queen C2, or Queen A3. Maybe Queen B5, trying to get over to the king side rather crudely. Queen G5 to H4. Okay. If I what about knight E5 here? Doesn't really want to give up that bishop or create weakness, does he? With F6. So what's going on here? F6, maybe knight D3. Has bishop C4 winning material. So I have to be careful with that. Can I just take that bishop? It looks pretty strong, that bishop. I'll just take it. Okay. I don't know, A4 just to try and keep some pressure going. If he takes, I've got some pressure on the A file. So something like rook C1 now. Looks alright. Queen takes a knight D7, attacking the rook. Rook moves. Doesn't really do much, does it? Knight C5? No, I don't really think so. So what have I got here? If I take knight takes, okay, F4 is a bit of a horrible weakening move. As rook C5, B3. What about B3, just to try and hold up C4, C4 square to knight C4s. So a strange sort of position. Not really attacking anything. He's got a nice blockade in principle. Okay, he's got a better pawn structure now. Let's give him that dark square bishop. Okay. I could threaten to double his pawns as well, leaving not much in the position for either side. Bishop B6 here, rook C1 takes anything better. Rook C8 and rook C1. Knight moves back. Is rook C7 there? I'll go for that. That looks a bit sloppy, that move, if I may say so. Allowing this rook c7. What's the meaning of this? My rook seems quite active on the 7th rank. Also, this bishop h6 may be potentially useful. Don't tell me it was winning. Oh dear. Was it actually winning? Because f6, maybe e6. Oh blimey. Oh blimey. Have I messed up? Did I miss a forced win? No, my rook needed to have access to the back row. It hasn't got access to the back row there, so it might be a threat now. Bishop h6, f6, e6. If he takes on e5, okay, so I get this past b pawn. So this is looking like good position. Will my connection hold up today on this game? I don't really want to say hi to the opponent. People will start thinking I'm strange. Maybe the clock's still ticking down. Okay. Okay, so I can get 2 pawns here, rook a7, rook e7. Rook e7 has got the possibility of bishop g5. And it holds on to, okay, e5, I think that's convincing. I want to hold on to e5, looks a bit better, so, okay, now, okay, I think it's going to be a sort of equalish, or is it? Will I get past b pawn here? And pawn up, after all that, stuff happened. Okay, how's my technique here? Or not? Is that any good? Can I hide this pawn? That's a question. That's the question. Can I restrain these pawns as well? G4, G5 maybe, without losing all my pawns. I'll try and hurt the pawn here. B4, it's looking good. This rook's holding up e3 here. That's another good sign. Am I going for a draw by repetition? If I can get this thing back for a sec. Try and avoid a draw by repetition for a start. Now b5 here. So I'm having to lose it and pawn. Okay. Check though. I play rook a2 check to avoid losing g2, and then b6. Doesn't look too bad, this b6. And king b5 b7. I don't think his extra pawn is going to be that critical. I don't know, he seemed a bit sleepy in this game at some point. I don't know. Some sort of Nimzovician blockade on d5 put him to sleep or something. If I just queen the pawn now, and the rook surely is enough. Well, there's rook a8 to speed things up. I think he runs out of checks here. Oh, well, it's check as well. Oh, what have I done? Oh dear. Have I messed up? Oh, surely I can just take and then take on f3. Can I not just win with the rook? Take on f3, take on rook h8, king g3. Can I not win with the extra queen? I'll try and win just allowing this horrible okay, so queen b5. Don't tell me I can't win this. And it's queen f1. That's me that's falling asleep. Oh dear, oh dear. Okay, so it doesn't. I don't know. King E2. Well, just hold on a sec. Can I really lose this? 21 seconds. The way I'm playing, I think I can. I can play this decoy. Try my best to lose this game. So we got a reverse situation the other day. Okay, can he keep his rooks together? It's tricky though, isn't it? Right, how do I actually win this? Try again to get the king over. Making him row with the queen, with the king. Avoid a stalemate. I'm so sorry. I really feel bad about this game. I don't know what happened. I thought, yeah, I was getting outplayed. Yeah, routinely outplayed positionally, and something mysterious happened here. He gave up his bishop and he played this rook d5, which intuitively I thought, why is he playing rook d5? I could just take him rook c1 with a good position, because my rook's getting active, I'm getting his pawns. And not only that, if he doesn't waste a move here in this position, there's now a nasty threat of bishop h6 if he's not capable. Once I played that rook b7, there's a nasty threat bishop h6, so he can't play rook b3. So I end up being a pawn up, and this should have been much easier. I managed to make a total mountain out of a molehill here, first doing that stuff. Okay, then I was on the right track for a little bit, and I thought it's resignable here after queening with check. Now possibly easier would have been just to take the pawn actually. So somehow I managed to make a mountain out of this, and he could have actually played f1 as well. So yeah, but now then it got a little bit easier then, and then back to being almost critical, forcing me to find rook g4. Okay, and then we have a situation I've had in reverse just yesterday. So trying to sort of drill out a win from here. It should be tricky to hold this rook against queen anyway. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.